Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Oyoyo Ndoki's Kitchen. And on today's recipe, I'm so happy to introduce to you my Mediterranean chicken inspired dinner. Yeah. Before I get to the ingredients, I want to thank every one of you for your love and support. I want to thank you for always coming to watch my videos. For your likes, comment and share, I do appreciate. Thank you guys. Merci beaucoup. Thank you guys for watching my video and thank you for the encouragement, because your coming back is a big encouragement for me to continue to shoot the videos. I do appreciate that big deal. So let's get back to the recipe and I thank you for watching. So guys, these are the ingredients we'll be using for Greek Mediterranean inspired chicken dinner. And here in the plate I have some black pepper, I have some oregano, some Mediterranean spices and also garlic. So feel free to use more garlic if you want, or if you don't like garlic, you can skip garlic. And I have fresh thyme, I have olive, mushroom is optional. If you don't like mushroom, you can skip mushroom. And I have cherry tomato, lemon of course, and some cheese. So vegetable side, you don't have to use all the vegetables, but I just like the color, so I'll be using a little bit of each. And I have zucchini as well, and the main for today is chicken. So stay with me and I do thank you for watching. So guys, I will start by cutting the lemon. I want to squeeze it out. So I'm using 1 bowl of lemon for this recipe. So guys, I'll be mixing all the herbs. And this is olive oil. I'll be leaving the list in the description box as well, so don't forget to check the description box. So here I have black pepper, oregano and Mediterranean spices. So I'll be getting to the bowl. And now the thyme. And I'll be squeezing the garlic into. So if you like garlic like me, feel free to use more garlic for this recipe. So now I'm going to add the lemon juice in. And I'll be using Dijon mustard to make the recipe. And that will be a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. So guys, make sure you mix thoroughly to combine. And I'll be mixing thoroughly as well here. The flavor is absolutely amazing. I tell you, try this recipe and your family will thank you later. So guys, you can see our chicken is ready, all washed and clean, and I use a paper towel to dry up the chicken so we don't have a lot of water when we start baking. Now I'm going to get the chicken into the pan. So guys, we'll be adding a little salt for our seasoning into the mix. Then you mix thoroughly to combine. We're going to be using spoon to scoop the mixed herbs. If you pour it directly into the bowl, you're not going to get the rest of the seasoning. They will settle at the bottom. And at this point, you will not be using every of it. You just keep some aside for later. Now we are going to mix. Make sure you mix thoroughly to marinate, and after we mix this chicken, we are going to be setting it aside to marinate for about 20 to 30 minutes. If you want to do it up to 45 minutes is allowed, you can go ahead and do that. So now everything is nicely coated. We are going to be setting it aside for 30 minutes. All right, so guys, I'm going to be using just a piece of each. I just want all the colors. Here we have, let's just go with this and see how it goes. So guys, for our onions, we're going to cut them to a reasonable size, and this is going to as well bake with the chicken. I think this size is more like it. Zucchini, we're going to be cutting them. Just feel free to cut them into any shape you like. Guys, my sheet pan is ready. Remember, we are making 1 sheet pan Mediterranean inspired chicken dinner, and it's ready. I just sprayed it with some olive oil, And then I'll be mixing my vegetables at this time. So I have the zucchini here, some mixed pepper, and also the onions. So guys, make sure you spread out the vegetables so every part will get at least the other. So that's what I'm trying to do here now, spread them out nicely. All right, so what I'll be doing now, remember our mixed herbs, we're going to be getting it into the pan to coat them nicely so that they will as well get the seasoning and taste delicious by the time you're done. So you mix nicely to make sure everything is well coated. So guys, I nearly forgot my mushroom. Just cut them into two. My mushroom is properly cleaned and washed. And if you don't like mushroom, you can skip this part, okay? Alright, so I'm going to get my mushroom right into the pan. Alright, so I'm gonna add the remaining of the spices, the herbs we mixed. This is very flavorful. This chicken dinner is very delicious. Give it a try and you will absolutely love it. So I'm going to mix now thoroughly to make sure that everything is coated nicely, including the mushroom. So right now what is left is our cherry tomato. Like I said, everything is washed and clean. You just have to sprinkle the cherry tomato on top of the vegetable. Everything is going to cook at the same time with the chicken. And I do thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up for me, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, share me out if you're a content creator, and leave me some good comment. So guys, you can see our chicken is ready after 30 minutes. I'm going to place them in the pan and make sure you spread them apart. I'm making about just 6 chicken thighs, and the reason why I'm using the chicken thigh with bones in is because it cooked thoroughly nicely with vegetables. It doesn't get so dry when you make them. So guys, our chicken dinner is ready to go into the oven, and we'll be baking at 425 degrees. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share me out. You can share me to your contact. A lot of people will really like to taste this deliciousness. Chicken dinner is right in the oven, and we'll be baking that for 425 degrees for 10 minutes. I do thank all of you for watching me today. So guys, 10 minutes passed. Now we are going to get our chicken out. Wow, it smells amazing. So now we're going to be adding some olives. Yeah, just make sure you sprinkle it around. It smells so great, I tell you. And I'll be sprinkling some cheese as well. So guys, now we'll be getting the chicken back to the oven to bake for 30 minutes. Guys, we'll be baking the chicken now for the second time for 30 minutes. And I do thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell to receive my videos whenever I post them. I do thank you guys. So guys, our one sheet Mediterranean chicken dinner is ready. You can see how nice it's looking, and I tell you guys, it smells so good here. I'm going to be dishing it out, and I do thank you for watching. So guys, you can actually eat this alone, or you serve it with some rice, just like I'm doing here. Or you can just decide to eat it all by itself. The onions is so delicious with the vegetable. So guys, you can see our dinner is ready. You can either serve it with some rice, baked potatoes, or you can eat it plain just as it is. Oh my God, it's so cooked, very, very tender and so moist as well. You can see our chicken is well cooked, I tell you. It smells so good here, and I know definitely it's going to taste amazing. Guys, this is very, very delicious.